Next one, Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. So first, if they are asking explain Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers, you have to write the notes of the Lagrange's method. Proof. Let u be a function of n variables. Let here u be a function of n variables. Function of n variables given as u equal to, so what is the function f of x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. Now let the variables are connected by a relations. Now let the variables are connected by the relations such that there are n minus r independent variables. N minus r independent variables, that is pi 1 of x1, x2, x3 and so on xn equal to 0, and that too next one pi 2 of x1, x2 and so on xn equal to 0 and so on. The last one is pi n of x1, x and so on xn equal to 0. So now for maxima or minima, the value of the du must be 0. So write here, for maximum or minimum, the value of the du must be 0. So that is du equal to dou u by dou x1 into dou dx1 plus dx1 plus dou u by dou x2 into dx2 plus and so on dou u by dou xn into dxn equal to 0. So now differentiating of that equations 2, 3, 4, differentiating of the equations 2, 3, 4. So what is the 2, 3, 4 equations? These are the 2, 3, 4 equations. 2, this is 3 and this is 4, and the given equation which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this summation is 5. 2, 3, 4 equations and multiplying the results with and multiply the relations with lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda r respectively. So then lambda 1 into derivative of pi 1 equal to lambda 1 into pi 1 by dou x2 into dx1 plus and so on plus lambda 1 into dou pi 1 by dou xn into dxn equal to 0 and so on lambda r into derivative of pi r equal to, what is the last equation, lambda r into dou pi r by dou x1 into dx1 plus and so on plus last value delta r lambda r into dou pi r by dou xn into dxn equal to 0. So where lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda are what? Multipliers. Then so by adding all these equations, ai equal to dou u by dou x1 plus lambda 1 into dou pi 1 by dou x1 plus and so on delta lambda r into dou pi r by dou xi. So the values of lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda are chosen in such a way that a1 equal to a2 equal to and so on ar equal to 0. So now substituting these values in the above section, so that is what is the remaining value? ar plus 1 into dxr plus 1 and so on plus an into dxn equal to 0. So now let the independent variables be. Now let the independent variables be. Now let the independent variables be xr plus 1, comma xr plus 2 and so on xn such that d into xr plus 1, comma dxr plus 2 and so on dxn are independent. So then ar plus 1 equal to ar plus 2 and so on, which is equal to an equal to 0. Therefore a1 equal to a2 equal to and so on ar equal to ar plus 1 and so on an equal to 0. So from that equations 2, 3, 4, pi 1 equal to pi 2 equal to and so on pi r equal to 0. Therefore the possible values of the u are obtained by the determining the multipliers. What is the multipliers? Lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda r. So from how many equations? n plus r equations. So the possible values of u are obtained by determining the multipliers. Lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda n from n plus r equations. So this is the procedure of the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers.